Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm working outside. It's dry today and they also announced dry weather tomorrow on Sunday. So it's about time. Anyway, I'm actually waiting for my husband because we'd like to go grocery shopping, but he got caught up someplace. So I decided to just come out here and start cleaning up here in front. I already started taking out my watering system. I don't think I need it again until springtime. I actually started cleaning up this area already yesterday. I took some plants out and I have to move some pots around over here. The grapevine has to go. It is sick and we can't do anything about it. It has to go. And I will be using this area to plant something that grows annually, like gourd maybe, or pumpkin. I also cut some of the branches from the fig tree now, but there are still a lot of figs that probably will still ripen, so I left most of the branches that I'd like to cut off, and I will be doing that as soon as it turns even colder than now. So I'm done cleaning up this area. Not all the way in front, but it's good enough. I wasn't able to show you this area after I cleaned up yesterday because it was just too late. And yeah, I'll be continuing my autumn cleanup. Stay with me, visit my channel again, and push that notification button. And hope to see you again next time. Bye now.